Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install the Secure Act settings in tax software, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your tax software application on your computer. Log in to your user account with your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section of the software. Look for an option labeled Secure Act or Retirement Settings. Click on this. Review the available settings related to retirement accounts. Set the default age for required minimum distributions, known as RMDs, to 72. Adjust the settings for inherited IRAs based on the new rules outlined in the Secure Act. Enable the options for lifetime income disclosures, if applicable to your software. Add any necessary details regarding non-spouse beneficiary distributions. Review other retirement plan features included in the Secure Act for your specific needs. Save all changes to ensure your settings are updated. Revisit the main settings menu to verify that your Secure Act adjustments are displayed correctly. Close the settings window and return to the main dashboard of your software. If prompted, run any software updates to ensure compliance with the latest regulations. Conduct a test run of your tax return to verify that the Secure Act settings are functioning as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test results. Document the changes made for future reference during tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.